iOS 27 from Apple is just around the corner, and in this video, let's have a look at some of the expected features and new changes with this update. First, we're getting the long-awaited revamped Siri. Yes, finally it's happening after waiting for more than 2 years. This will be the biggest overhaul yet for Siri. It will be powered by Google Gemini at the back end. Thanks to Apple and Google's partnership on this, that happened back in January 2026. This new Siri will be more like a personal chatbot, plus you can also set different AI models for the Siri, like you can pick from Claude, Gemini, and more. Also, due to the failure of Apple Intelligence during the last 2 years, Apple is also going to change that Siri glow animation. Instead of this rainbow glow, we'll be getting a bright white-like animation, which can be also seen in the teasers and Apple's latest Swift icon for this event. Next, Apple is adding visual intelligence directly into the camera app. There will be a Siri toggle in the camera app where you can simply point at any object and look for it online. Instead of the camera control, visual intelligence is now being embedded directly into the camera app. Photos app is also getting some new features, and one of them is generative fill. This feature will use AI to expand a scene. Further, we might also see better AI object eraser with this new update, because right now the eraser is just way behind when compared to the competition. Shortcuts app is also getting a big change. Right now, the Shortcuts app is way too complicated for people. With this update, you can simply ask Shortcuts app what you want to do. App will automatically create and run the right shortcut for you. So it'll be easy to set up and a bit less complex than what it is right now. Then, we might finally get a universal system-wide liquid glass slider. Just like we have right now on the lock screen, it'll be also implemented throughout iOS 27. Users will be able to pick the right transparency for liquid glass, making it better with readability. Also, Apple is going to bring the long-awaited split screen mode for iOS. Right now, it's not clear if this will be only limited to the upcoming iPhone Fold, or Apple will also allow it on the Pro Max models too. We'll have to wait and see for that. Once again, this isn't going to be a massive update, it'll be just a refined version of iOS 26, fixing many bugs and performance issues. iOS 28 is expected to bring some massive changes, but we have to wait for that till next year. Talking about which phones will get this update, you can see that there's no iPhone 11 here. That means iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max are not getting iOS 27 update. In the same way, iPhone SE 2 is also not getting this update. Let me know which iPhone you're using in the comment section. Let's see if you'll be getting this update or not. So that was pretty much it with this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.